Apple didn't release a new generation Apple Watch Ultra 3 this year. Instead, they refreshed the Ultra 2 with a black titanium frame and some software updates. Despite this, the Ultra 2 remains the top-tier Apple Watch, offering the best experience for fitness enthusiasts and those who need extended battery life. When it launched in 2023, the Ultra 2 introduced several improvements over the original Ultra, including a faster processor, double-tap gesture, enhanced altitude and depth sensing, and advanced water sports tracking. With watchOS 11, it now features sleep apnea detection and media playback from its dual speakers. The Ultra 2 is Apple's best fitness tracker and an excellent smartwatch overall. Owners of the first Ultra might consider upgrading for its exclusive new features and the sleek black titanium option. Apart from this new color, its hardware remains the same, featuring a rugged titanium case designed for durability. Though the Ultra 2 is as bulky as its predecessor, this trade-off ensures durability in tough environments. Users report that even with frequent bumps and scrapes, the titanium build remains unscathed. The action button is still exclusive to the Ultra line, offering quick access to functions like workouts, the stopwatch, or the flashlight. While the Ultra 2 runs on the previous generation S9 chipset, it remains fast and responsive, performing on par with the Series 10's newer S10 chip. The difference between the Ultra 2 S9 and the Ultra 1 S8 is minor, but the Ultra 2 is slightly quicker in everyday use. More importantly, the S9 chip enables features the Ultra 1 lacks, like the double tap gesture, which allows users to interact with the watch by tapping their thumb and index finger together. With watchOS 11, this gesture has been enhanced to scroll within apps. It's particularly useful for those who need hands-free control. Unlike the Ultra 1, the Ultra 2 supports on-device Siri, meaning users can issue commands without an internet connection. This is especially helpful for quick actions like starting a workout. watchOS 11 also brings refinements to features like activity rings, the workout app, and the Smart Stack. The Ultra 2 remains the best Apple fitness tracker, offering precise GPS and tracking for various activities, including freediving, scuba diving, and wakeboarding. Its display is the brightest of any Apple Watch, reaching 3000 nits, 50% brighter than the Ultra 1 and Series 10. Another notable feature is the new Vitals app, which tracks key health metrics while you sleep, alerting you to any abnormal readings. Battery life remains a strong point, lasting 2 to 3 days per charge, which is significantly longer than standard Apple Watch models. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is Apple's most feature-rich wearable, ideal for fitness and outdoor enthusiasts. However, its premium price and specialized design mean it isn't for everyone. Before purchasing, consider whether you'll use its advanced features, and if you already own the original Ultra,